There are two ways on how to create a playlist on your channel using your mobile phone. The first way is direct on your YouTube. Open the application up and then click your library. Then you will see here a new playlist. So you click the new playlist and type the title of the playlist that you want list. Okay, let's say Kalovly Va. Okay, so I just make it as private first and then create. So here we go, I already have the playlist. So how to download or how to put videos on your playlist? Okay, so you click your videos and then let's say for example this one, then save to playlist. Then you see here Kalovly Va, then done. Another one just to have the example, save to playlist Kalovly Va and then done. Now we'll check the two videos if it is there on your playlist. Here we go. These are the two playlists on your Kalovly Va. Okay, so and another thing is, or another way is, you need to go to the Chrome or open your YouTube Studio. Open your YouTube Studio or click Chrome. So this is your channel dashboard. So for you to go to or to make and create a playlist, you need to click the playlist icon below on your videos. Okay, so now you will see here, these are the albums or the playlist that I have. To make new one, you need to click a new playlist at the top, just under your profile picture, and then you add title or you type the title that you wanted for that album. Let's say for example Pefah. Okay, so the visibility is either you wanted to make it public so that viewers or audiences can view the videos that you have for that album, or because just this one just for the education or tutorial, so I make this as private. Alright, so after you enter the playlist name, then create. So here we go. Now you already have the Pefah playlist. So to download or to transfer videos from this playlist, you need to go to your videos, all your videos. Let's say for example this intro video and how I fix my watermark not display. So click the box on the left side, check and check. So now at the top it shows two selected. to two selected videos, and then edit, add to playlist, and more actions. So for you to transfer the videos, you need to click add to playlist, and then look for the album name. So now we've made a Pefah, so click the Pefah and then save. So after done, playlist is added. Go to your channel. Now you will see the playlist name is Pefah. I have two videos here, so that means is completely done, and